Hey everyone, welcome to a journey into the skies above India, where something truly exciting is happening. Have you ever looked up at the sky and seen a tiny buzzing drone zipping by? It might look like a toy, but it's actually a glimpse into the future of our country. Well, get ready because drones are about to change everything in India. These flying machines are not just for fun, they're transforming the way we live, work, and connect. So, what exactly is drone technology? Let's break it down. Imagine a flying robot controlled by a pilot, or even flying on its own. Drones can be as small as your palm or as big as a car, and they're packed with sensors, cameras, and smart software. Drones can do everything from snapping breathtaking aerial photos to delivering your next online order. They can reach places that are hard for humans to get to, and they do it quickly and efficiently. But trust me, in India it's much bigger than just cool gadgets. Let's talk about agriculture, where drones are making a real difference. Over half of India works on farms. For generations, farming has been tough, with long hours and unpredictable weather. Drones can scan crops, spray fertilizers, and even check soil health, all in a fraction of the time. They help farmers spot problems early, save water, and use fewer chemicals, making farming smarter and more sustainable. Farmers get real-time data, better harvests, and less back-breaking work. With just a few taps on a tablet, they can manage entire fields. That means more food on our plates and happier farmers. It's a win-win for everyone, from the people who grow our food to the families who enjoy it. But that's just the beginning. Drones are opening up new possibilities in every corner of India. Drones are taking over the skies in delivery, mapping, and even saving lives. They're being used to deliver medicines to remote villages, map out entire cities, and monitor the environment. During disasters, drones can reach remote areas, send crucial supplies, and help rescuers find people faster. In floods or earthquakes, drones become the eyes and ears of rescue teams, making sure help arrives where it's needed most. In cities, they map roads for better traffic planning, monitor construction, and even inspect power lines, keeping us all safer. They help city planners design smarter roads and keep our infrastructure running smoothly. And here's the best part. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now, all around us. The Indian government is going big on drone tech. New policies and investments are making it easier than ever to innovate. They're making it easier for startups to build and fly drones, funding research, and even using drones for things like land surveys and vaccine delivery. Jobs? Oh yes, the drone industry is creating thousands of new opportunities. Drone pilots, engineers, data analysts. New careers are popping up everywhere. If you love technology, this is the place to be. If you're a student, this is your sign. Start learning about drones, robotics, and coding, and you could be part of the next big tech wave. Learning about drones can land you a dream job in tech, logistics, or even movie making. Imagine working on blockbuster films or helping deliver packages across the country. So what does the future look like? It's a world where drones are everywhere, making life easier, safer, and more exciting. Imagine farmers flying fleets of drones from their phones, cities that run smoother because drones keep an eye out for us, and faster help during emergencies. The possibilities are endless. The sky's no longer the limit, it's just the beginning. With every new drone, India is reaching new heights. India's drone revolution is already here, and it's soaring higher every day. We're leading the way in innovation and creativity. Whether you're a student, a techie, or just someone who loves cool gadgets, this is your chance to be part of something amazing. The future is bright, and it's flying right above us. Keep your eyes on the skies, because the future is flying right above us. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome stories from the world of technology.